Hi friends, I'm Adhiraj Kapoor and in today's video we'll talk about habitats of animals and where do they live. So let's get started. The world of animals is amazing. They are found almost everywhere. Example on land, in air, on trees and in water. The place where an animal lives, grows and reproduces is called its habitat. Animals have different adapted features which helps them to survive in their habitat. On the basis of habitat, animals are broadly classified as terrestrial, that means on land. Example, camel and elephant. Arboreal, on trees. Example, monkey, woodpecker. Aquatic, in water. Example, fish, crocodile. Aerial, in air. Example, eagles and bats. Amphibians, both on land and in water. Example, frog. So now let's first start with terrestrial animals. Animals living on land are called terrestrial animals. Land includes forests, deserts, polar regions, mountains, etc. Forest is a vast area that is densely covered by trees and other plants. Forest provides shelter to animals like lion, tiger, deer, fox, elephant, monkey, etc. Animals live in caves and on under trees in forests. Forests are also home to animals like rat, snake, etc., which live inside burrows. Small animals like earthworms, insects live on forest floors. Animals living in forest. These are the examples of animals living in forest: tiger, deer, zebra, giraffe, elephant. Desert. Deserts are sandy and dry areas that receive very little rainfall, that are usually hot during daytime and cold at night. Animals like camel and rattlesnake, etc., are found in deserts. Mountainous regions are cold and often covered with snow. Animals like yak and mountain goat are found in mountainous regions. The regions near North and South poles on Earth are called polar regions. The regions around North Pole is named Arctic region and the region around South Pole is called Antarctic region. They are permanently covered with snow. Penguins, polar bears, Arctic fox, etc. are some animals found in polar regions. So now friends, let's start with arboreal animals. Animals like monkey, squirrels, koala, sloth, birds, etc. live on trees. These are called arboreal animals. So friends, now I have two facts on monkeys which I want to share. Here are they. Monkeys have strong limbs to help in climbing. Second, some have a strong tail which can coil around the branches of the tree. So, now friends, let's start with aquatic animal. Oh no, friends, we have ran out of time, so I have to end the video over here. Okay, friends, bye. See you in the next video. Bye, friends. See you.